Loose window stops causing sashes to fall unexpectedly can be a huge pain and a safety hazard you definitely want to fix as soon as possible. So, first off, if your window sash is falling, check those window stops to see if they're loose or damaged, because they're the little things holding everything in place. Grab a screwdriver and tighten any screws you see. Sometimes they just need a quick fix. If the stops are cracked or worn out, don't try to force it. Swap them out with new ones that match your window style. Make sure the stops fit snugly, but don't jam the sash so it can still move smoothly. A little silicone lubricant on the tracks can help the sash slide better without putting extra pressure on the stops. When you're putting everything back, test the window by slowly opening and closing it a few times to see if it stays put without falling. If you notice any warping or damage around the stop area, consider calling a pro because that might mean bigger issues. Staying on top of this saves you from accidents and keeps your windows working right. One of the biggest mistakes people make with loose window stops is ignoring the problem until the sash falls and causes damage. That always makes repairs more expensive. Another common issue is using the wrong size replacement stops, which messes with the window's balance and can make it harder to open or close. Lastly, not checking the entire window frame for damage while fixing stops means you could miss cracks or rot that'll just get worse over time. To fix these, keep an eye on your windows regularly, measure carefully for parts, and inspect the full frame for any signs of trouble before tightening or replacing anything. BigHomeProjects.com is great for hooking you up with local contractors who actually know their stuff when it comes to window repairs and home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners looking for reliable help without all the hassle.